Protein cookies are back on the menu, Piña Colada style. To make these, start with a mixing bowl. Add into it 3/4 cup of white whole wheat flour, 1 scoop of our vanilla lean body whey protein, 2 tablespoons of a brown sugar substitute, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened toasted coconut flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1 large whole egg, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a couple ounces of our new and delicious lean body ready to drink Piña Colada protein shake. Mix all of those ingredients together until everything is incorporated. Next, take out a baking sheet optionally lined with parchment paper and spoon your mix onto it. Do your best to shape your cookies. Last, top them with some toasted coconut and put them into the oven on 350 for around 8 to 10 minutes, or until they look like this. There you go, coconut protein cookies with our new Piña Colada shake. Don't forget to follow us for more recipes.